Drowning in clutter, you're not alone. Picture this. You walk into a room, it's supposed to be your sanctuary. Instead, it's overflowing with stuff. Clothes are piled on chairs. Papers cover every surface. That feeling of peace, replaced by a wave of stress. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many people struggle to keep their homes organized. Life gets busy, things pile up, it happens. But don't worry, there's a solution. You can take control of your space. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to do it. Let's face it, a well-organized home just feels better. It reduces stress, it brings a sense of calm, and it makes it easier to find what you need when you need it. Ready to create a space you love? Let's get started. Dollar store to the rescue. Organization on a budget. Organization doesn't have to break the bank. Forget those fancy stores with expensive containers. Your secret weapon? The dollar store. Yes, you read that right. The dollar store is a treasure trove of affordable organization solutions. Bins, baskets, hooks, shelves, you name it, they've got it. And the best part? Everything is easy on your wallet. You can finally tackle that clutter without emptying your bank account. Don't underestimate the power of these budget-friendly finds. With a little creativity, these simple items can transform your home. From cluttered chaos to organized oasis, the dollar store is your key to a more organized life. Making it work. Practical tips for dollar store organization. Now, you might be thinking, dollar store items, will they really last? Absolutely. The key is to choose wisely and use them strategically. Look for sturdy plastic bins and baskets. Metal hooks and shelves are also great options. Don't be afraid to get a little creative. A shower caddy isn't just for the bathroom. It can also be a handy organizer inside a pantry door. Remember, the goal is to make your life easier. Choose items that will help you do that. Think about your specific needs and choose products that will address those. With a little planning, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve with dollar store finds. Bins, baskets, and beyond. Dollar store finds for every room. Let's talk specifics and dive into the details. What exactly should you be looking for at the dollar store? There are so many options, but some stand out more than others. Here are a few must-have items. Bins and baskets. Perfect for corralling clutter in any room. They come in various sizes and styles to fit your needs. Use them for toys, craft supplies, cleaning products, and more. Hooks maximize vertical space. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in any room. Hang coats, bags, and accessories behind doors or on empty wall space. This keeps your items accessible, yet out of the way. Trays create instant organization on countertops, desks, and dressers. They are perfect for grouping similar items together. Group similar items together to keep surfaces tidy. This makes it easier to find what you need quickly. Adhesive caddies. These are game changers. They can be placed almost anywhere. Stick them inside cabinets or on walls to store small items like spices, office supplies, or bathroom essentials. They are perfect for maximizing space. Don't forget about those unexpected finds. You never know what you might come across. Dollar stores often have seasonal items that can be repurposed for organization. These items can add a festive touch to your home. Think storage containers shaped like pumpkins or holiday-themed boxes. They are both functional and decorative. Get creative and have fun with it. The possibilities are endless when you think outside the box. Section 5. Think outside the box. Creative uses for everyday items. Here's where it gets really fun. We're diving into the world of dollar store finds and how they can transform your home. Dollar stores are full of items that can be used for organization in unexpected ways. Let your creativity shine. Shower caddies. Remember that pantry door? A shower caddy is perfect for storing cleaning supplies, spices, or snacks. You can even use them in your bathroom for toiletries. Ice cube trays. Don't toss those old ice cube trays, they have so many potential uses. They're great for sorting and storing small items like jewelry, buttons, or beads. You can even use them for organizing office supplies like paper clips and push pins, magazine holders. Tame the paper clutter. Use magazine holders to store files, notebooks, or even children's artwork. They can also be used in the kitchen to organize cutting boards and baking sheets. Over-the-door shoe organizers, not just for shoes. Hang one on the back of a closet door to store cleaning supplies, toys, or craft supplies. They're also great for organizing scarves, hats, and gloves in your entryway. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The possibilities are endless. You can find inspiration everywhere. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Mix and match different items to create your perfect organization system. Remember, the most effective organization solutions are often the simplest ones. Happy organizing! Section 6, from pantry chaos to jewelry bliss, dollar store hacks in action. Let's see these dollar store hacks in action. Imagine this. Your pantry is a disaster zone. Cans are dented, boxes are falling apart, you can never find what you need. Sound familiar? Grab some dollar store bins and baskets. Group similar items together. Label them clearly. Suddenly your pantry is transformed. Everything is visible and accessible. Now let's tackle that tangled mess of jewelry. Those ice cube trays are calling. Sort your earrings, rings, and necklaces into the individual compartments. No more tangled chains or missing earrings. These are just two examples of how dollar store items can make a big difference. From the pantry to the bedroom, bathroom to the home office, there's a dollar store hack for every organization challenge. Section 7. Simple solutions, big impact recapping your dollar store arsenal. Let's recap those incredible dollar store finds that are about to become your organizational best friends. 1. Bins and baskets. Your clutter-crushing warriors, perfect for taming toys, craft supplies, and everything in between. These versatile containers come in various sizes and colors, making it easy to match your decor while keeping everything in its place. 2. Hooks. The masters of vertical space, perfect for maximizing storage behind doors and on walls. Use them in the kitchen for utensils, in the bathroom for towels, or in the garage for tools. The possibilities are endless. 3. Trays. The countertop heroes, ideal for grouping similar items and creating visual order. Whether it's for your coffee station, makeup collection, or office supplies, trays help keep everything neat and accessible. 4. Adhesive caddies. Your secret weapon for inside cabinets and walls, perfect for storing spices, office supplies, and more. These caddies can be easily repositioned, making them a flexible solution for changing needs. 5. Shower caddies. The pantry superheroes, ideal for storing cleaning supplies, snacks, or even spices within easy reach. They can also be used in the bathroom for toiletries or in the garage for small tools. 6. Ice cube trays. Tiny but mighty organizers, perfect for sorting jewelry, buttons, or other small items. These trays can also be used in the office for paper clips, push pins, and other small stationery items. 7. Magazine holders. Paper tamers extraordinaire, ideal for organizing files, notebooks, and even children's artwork. They can also be used in the kitchen to store cutting boards and baking sheets. 8. Over-the-door shoe organizers, versatile storage champions, perfect for back-of-the-door organization of cleaning supplies, toys, or craft items. These organizers can also be used in the pantry for snacks or in the bathroom for toiletries. Remember, the key is to choose items that fit your needs and your space. Don't be afraid to think creatively and use these items in unconventional ways. The dollar store is full of hidden gems that can transform your home into an organized haven. Section 8. Get organized today, no excuses. What are you waiting for? Head to your nearest dollar store and unleash your inner organization guru. You don't need to spend a fortune to have a beautifully organized home. With a little creativity and these simple tips, you can transform your space without breaking the bank. Remember, organization isn't about perfection. It's about creating a space that works for you, a space that reduces stress and brings you joy. So take it one step at a time. Start small. And most importantly, have fun with it. You've got this. Embrace the power of the dollar store and get ready to experience the transformative power of an organized home. Section 9. Share your success. Inspire others with your dollar store transformations. We all love a good before and after story. Once you've worked your dollar store magic, share your success with the world. Take photos of your newly organized spaces. Share your favorite dollar store finds and tips. You never know who you might inspire. Your story could be the motivation someone needs to finally tackle their own clutter. Let's spread the organization love, one dollar store hack at a time. Tag your photos on social media with #DollarStoreOrganization. And let's create a community of savvy organizers who believe that everyone deserves a beautifully organized home, regardless of their budget. Section 10. Stay organized. Join the journey. Organization isn't a one-time event, it's a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe to our newsletter for more amazing organization tips, tricks, and inspiration. We'll share creative storage solutions, DIY projects, and budget-friendly finds to keep your home organized and clutter-free. Together, we can create spaces that bring joy, reduce stress, and make everyday life a little bit easier. Don't wait another day to live in a more organized home. Subscribe now and let's get organized together.